Friends, this year we have gone through the pandemic of corona and all the sectors have really transformed them into the new version. No, digital is a new normal in this pandemic world. And I'm very happy to share here that MIT Group and in specific MIT Art Design Technology University was using the TCS Ion digital platform that is called as the ERP platform since 2011. Initially, it was used by our affiliated colleges, different colleges like MANET, Maharashtra Academy of Naval Education and Training, was almost used by 1200 students for more than 9 years they are using. MIT College of Engineering, the Pune University affiliated college, having student strength of more than 4,000 was using from 2011 till 2019. And now after 2016, this university, MIT Art Design and Technology University, got established. And right from the first day, all the constituent colleges of this university is using this TCS Ion ERP system. As on today, around 9,000 students are enrolled in the university. More than 1,000 staff is working in the university. So all together with a visiting faculty, more than 10,000 the 10,000 people are using the ERP system for the university. And thankfully, because we were already on the digital platform, from the 1st April itself, we have gone digital. We are active digitally, the 100%. This TCS Ion has 16 solutions and 51 different modules, and all the solutions and platforms are effectively used by our stakeholders, all the students, faculty, management, administrative staff. For example, this year we have digital classes are there. So as on today, more than 8,000 lectures are recorded on the ERP platform. This year the whole tuition fee is collected through this platform ERP system, and in last 6 months more than 72 crore rupees are collected by this system. No student had gone to bank to do the transfer or to get the receipt. He has received the fee receipt at his home through ERP system. Admissions are done through ERP system. All the our vouchers, our purchase orders, our finance vouchers, everything we are doing through this digital platform. So finance is through this ERP system. Lectures are through this ERP system. Our purchase orders we are issuing through this ERP system. All the sections, our internal examinations of 8,000 students were conducted by the ERP system in the month of May, and we have conducted the last year examinations of the 2nd year, 3rd year and 1st year very effectively through this TCS platform. Library books, around 10,000 books are uploaded on the library, and yesterday only when I checked how many students are using the library books through our ERP system. So 49,000, that count has gone to 49,000. So 49,000 books, 49,000 times the books were referred by our people. So library is used, examination is used, the fee module, depositing the fee is used through this TCS Ion system. Admissions are done through this system. Laboratory videos, more than 700 videos of laboratories are loaded on this ERP system, and all the videos are there. And the best part is, at any time the student can see the video. He can again re-listen to the lectures which are already recorded. So it is very simple, and I am very proud to say that till today in this semester not a single complaint has come from any student. They are happy about the TCS Ion platform. So this is a very good part. I think so. I am very happy. TCS is a quite reputed group, branded group. So advantage of taking TCS Ion platform is that the company will remain in the market. Otherwise, if you go to the small brands, they may disappear in a span of 2-3 years, and that is our experience in the past. But since 2011, the TCS is giving the service to the required level, and they have also improved their product to much higher level. They are making their product most user friendly in coming days. They have the live streaming also on their platform. So everything, I think, right from admission, examination, finance, purchase, library, everything is available on the TCS. And I really congratulate for the team of the Tatas for showing this vision to to develop this product for the universities and for the institutions. I give them the the best wishes for the for the development of the product and for their success. Thank you very much.